Hey there, Todd with Tribble Painting. Today we're going to talk about exterior siding and what products are best for your home and which ones are available and why you should use one over the other. In my sample board here, I have a cedar board, and we have three different stains that we put on the smooth side. There's a rough side and a smooth side. These products will work on either one, and we find just as much cedar that we stain on the rough side as we do the smooth side. So, you know, what do you have on your house? Well, it could vary depending on the type of wood you have. On cedar, you have available to you lots of options: semi-transparent, SemiSolid, and solid stain. And we use all three of these on exterior cedar siding and trim. So the semi-transparent option here, as you can see, shows a lot of the wood color through. So that's what you end up with, is a combination of both the wood color and the stain color. Now, this option needs to be done more often. So you're going to have to plan on redoing your house every 3-ish years if you choose a semi-transparent option to keep it looking good. Especially if you have a lot of sun exposure on your south and west sides of your home. SemiSolid, it is similar to the semi-transparent in that you get a combination of the wood color and the cedar color, but there's more tint in it. So you're going to see less of the wood color and start to see more of the actual tint color. This is going to last longer. You're going to get somewhere in the 5-year range, again, depending on your exposure to UV rays and sun. And then last, we have here our solid stain. This is a solid acrylic stain option, and it completely covers. It looks like a paint in the sense that you don't get any wood showing through, just the color of the stain. So this option, we tell people 5 to 7 years, and again, it depends on the exposure. If you have a home with complete sun exposure on the south and west sides, you may find that in 5 years you have to do those sides, but the north and east sides are okay and don't need anything at that time, but it's maybe a power wash to keep them looking healthy. So really, your decision on the stain comes down to personal choice. One definitely is going to give you a lot longer lifespan than the other, but you know, we always tell people color is really personal, and you should choose the one that makes you happy and find the combination that fits your budget for the best combination for your home. So we hope this information on stain for your wood-sided and specifically cedar-sided home was helpful, and appreciate you watching, and please hit subscribe and like. It helps other people interested in protecting their homes find our videos.